Spicy sausage tater tot breakfast casserole, mild. Ingredients. 1. 1 16-ounce bag of frozen tater tots. 2. Butter, for the baking dish. 3. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 4. 1 pound spicy bulk breakfast sausage. 5. 1 medium onion, very finely diced. 6. 1 cup milk. 7. 1/2 cup half and half. 8. 1/4 teaspoon seasoned salt. 9. 1/4 teaspoon cayenne. 10. 4 large eggs. 11. 1 red bell pepper, very finely diced. 12. 1 green bell pepper, very finely diced. 13. 2 cups grated cheddar cheese. 14. 1 cup grated pepper jack cheese. 15. Kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. Directions. 1. Butter a 9 by 13 inch baking dish and line up the tater tots in the dish. 2. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. 2. Add the spicy breakfast sausage and finely diced onion. 2. Cook, breaking the sausage up with a wooden spoon, until browned and fully cooked, approximately 8 to 10 minutes. 2. Set aside to cool slightly, then sprinkle the sausage and onion mixture over the tater tots in the baking dish. 3. In a large bowl, combine the milk, half and half, seasoned salt, cayenne, eggs, finely diced red and green bell peppers, half of both the grated cheddar cheese and grated pepper jack cheese, and a pinch of kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. 3. Mix well. 4. Pour the egg and cheese mixture evenly over the tater tots and sausage in the baking dish. 4. Top with the remaining grated cheddar cheese and grated pepper jack cheese. 5. Cover the baking dish with foil and refrigerate overnight to allow the flavors to meld. 6. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. 7. Bake the casserole, covered with foil, for about 25 minutes. 7. Then, remove the foil and continue baking until the cheese on top is golden brown and bubbly, and the casserole is cooked through, which should take an additional 20 to 35 minutes. 8. Once fully cooked, remove from the oven and allow the casserole to cool slightly. 8. Cut into squares and serve. This spicy sausage tater tot breakfast casserole is a flavorful and satisfying dish that's perfect for breakfast or brunch. Enjoy! 1. Level, easy. 2. Total, 9 hours 25 minutes, includes soaking time. 3. Active, 25 minutes. 4. Yield, 8 servings. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment.